We're doing a little rebel radio shit here, right?
Nah, this can't even make the vlog, man.
What's up, everybody? We are back with another drone by Dro vlog, day in the life of a full-time drone operator. So in this episode, this is going to be something a little bit different from just my standard day in the life. We are actually going to be flying with the DJI Inspire 3 for the first time that I just bought about 2 weeks ago. This is going to be a crazy 24 hours, 48 hours or so. So I am at home right now, but I'm getting ready to get up out of here. So first off, we are going to be going to Sterling, Virginia to do an indoor drone tour for the Sport Rock indoor rock climbing facilities. Shout out to Sport Rock. I've done some stuff with them already in Lorton, Virginia, in Alexandria, I think, as well as Gaithersburg, Maryland. So this will be now our fourth location that we film with them. And let me just give you all a quick little look around. Everything is looking pretty crazy right now. But this is the big boy right here, the DJI Inspire 3. Look at this thing. My goodness. Just for reference, this thing is 9 pounds in weight when everything is all said and done. I think it's probably about 10 pounds. Look at how big that thing is compared to the Mini. Fucking crazy. So we're going to be doing a commercial out there. I'm not really sure how much I can really tell y'all about it, but it is going to be a commercial for a big company. If I'm able to, maybe I can put some more details when I'm out there actually shooting. If not, you guys are just going to have to wait and see. But just know that this is a service that millions of people have used across the country, and we're going to be doing a commercial for them. And first off, we got the indoor drone tour. We're going to be rocking out with the Cinelog Jep RC Cinelog 25 V2. I got the Cinelog 30 V3 as a backup, and I'm most likely going to be grabbing a couple shots with this guy too. These are both the same thing. This is the V2 and this is the V3 for Cinelog 35. I'm going to be slapping the GoPro that I'm filming this video on to this thing, so I have to make some space there, but that's going to be our loadout for this first job in Sterling. DJI goggles 2, DJI remote 2, got some extra GoPro batteries. Probably be using this for some BTS on my brother's camera. He's going to be shooting with a Sony A7 Mark IV, and might use this for the GoPro as well. We'll see. We got a charger for the FPV battery, and as of right now, this is still the loadout from my weekly work. Let's go ahead and replace that. We will not be using the Mavic 3. I'm gonna let that kind of just chill over here. Just kind of let that chill right there. And we'll be bringing, do we want to bring the Mavic 4? Of course we do. So we'll be using the Mavic 4 instead. Just kind of let that thing chill over there. Going to be bringing my laptop with at least one of these hard drives. It's a little crazy right now because I haven't gotten a chance to organize things in here. But that's basically it. And you see we got a gimbal here. May or may not be using that. Not 100% sure yet. We got the 2 DJI Power 500 banks. We're going to be using that to charge this guy. Probably going to need one of them car chargers that clamps onto the car battery. If those things run out of battery, which they probably will, mess around charging these TB51 batteries, we want to make sure that we have enough to shoot all day tomorrow. We're going to be doing 4 locations in NYC for the DJI Inspire 3 shoot, and it's going to be a fun day. A lot of driving back and forth. As you can see, traffic is starting to pick up for that first job. It's going to take about an hour to get there. So I'm just going to wrap up this part of the vlog and kind of fill you guys in as we go. Sterling, Virginia first, from Sterling to Jersey to spend the night with my brother who lives in Jersey City. And from there, we'll be riding out to Yonkers, New York, and that's where we'll start the day. We're going to be in the Bronx. We're going to be in Brooklyn. We're going to be in Queens. And then we're also going to be somewhere in Manhattan as well. So I'm excited. It's going to be crazy. And if you guys enjoyed the last vlog, this one's going to be even better. So stay tuned till the very end. Okay, we're on the road now. And my God, look at that Virginia rush hour traffic, y'all. 27 miles, 70 minutes to get there, 69 minutes. Oh my God, man. They say LA traffic is bad, Atlanta traffic is bad, but what about that DMV traffic? My goodness. That'll be the first job of the day. Like I said, indoor drone tour, and then we are gonna go to NY after that. Well, Jersey first, then NY, but see y'all there. Woo! We're finally out of that godforsaken Virginia traffic. We're here at the Sport Rock in Sterling. It's kind of cold, but it's more windy than anything. It's super windy today. We got 20-mile-per-hour winds with 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. You probably can't even see me right now. There you go. Whatever. Put a little light on for y'all. Listen, man, so we are about to go in. We're going to do this FPV drone tour. I might still have to go back home and grab some shoes, honestly, because I don't think I'm going to be walking around New York in Crocs all day tomorrow. So let's go inside and let's get this started. Oh, Sport Rock Sterling, baby. Hello. How y'all doing? This is my office for now. We got this battery, almost done charging another battery. We got a bunch of batteries. 4 for the 6S, 4 for the 4S. We're gonna use this one first. Maybe we'll rock out with the Cinelog 35 in a moment. We got this to be showing the live feed. Let's get started, baby. FPV fly through at Sterling Sport Rock is done. Man, shout out to Sterling Sport Rock. Sport Rock, y'all gotta check it out, man. I'll put their Instagram in the description. Jersey now. Sport Rock in the books. Made a pit stop at the house in Maryland. Got a couple of things that I needed. Stopped by Home Depot to grab some other stuff that we're gonna need for tomorrow. And we are all set, man. I am very excited for this job tomorrow. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. I made it to New Jersey. I'm in Jersey City right now. Got the Inspire 3 with me. Got the Mavic 4. Gonna go ahead and dump my stuff off into my brother's place, and then I'm gonna have to park my car because there ain't no parking on the street. I didn't even have to drink my my energy drink. I was able to drive the whole way without energy drink. Can y'all believe that? No caffeine. All right, I'm gonna go put my stuff away, then we'll get situated.
5 hours later.
Here we go, walking to the parked car right now. Let's go. It's like a little bit before 5 in the morning. We're leaving Jersey City. It's already the next morning. Not even the next morning, it's the same morning, just later in the morning. Got a little 2-hour nap in. Now we're about to go meet up with our connect for the shoot, who will be dual operating this Inspire 3 with me for today's shoot. Like I said, we're going to be doing 4 different locations in New York, and I'm going to go meet up with him. We'll be riding around, so we'll see y'all once we get to the shoot.
No, it's fine. I thought it was gonna be like an hour. What we got here? Shit. First shot of the day for the project that we were coming out to New York for. We got the Inspire 3. You want to go 24 mil or 50 mil? 20. All right, we're gonna go 24 mil. We're gonna set up the gimbal. We're gonna set up the lens. And where we at right now? We in Queens?
Maspeth, Queens, yes sir.
We're in Queens right now with it.
There you go. Now I got 18 or 1K. Going back to 4K then.
Oh, turn my shoe, hold on.
Say what?
It's over here. Back.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
That was sick. All right, here we go. We are at location number 2. Where we at right now? We're in Brooklyn right now, man.
Village, Brooklyn.
I'm with Brunellski, second shooter, with my guy Josh in the building. Let's go.
Good stuff.
We are on lunch break right now. Let me see one of the menus. Got one some right there. We're on lunch break right now. Where we at? We at Grand Canyon Diner. Where we at, bro?
Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon. No. I'm talking about what city we in.
Oh, we good.
Like what part of New York are we in?
Park Slope, Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. We're still in Brooklyn. So location 2 is in the books. We gotta get this, gotta refuel, man. We got so much downtime. It's only barely about to be noon. We got until like 4 or 5 o'clock. So we got a couple more hours to go. Shit, man, time to recharge. All right, let's see it. Another hot sauce for the vlog. It's been like 6 years since he did this shit, man.
Yeah. That shit already burning.
This fucking guy, man. All right, man. We're here. Final location of the day. Location 3 was kind of quick, so we were in and out. But we are at the 4th location. I think we're in the Bronx right now. We are
real Little Italy.
We are in the final borough of the day. As you can see, it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. This is the first full day Inspire 3 vlog. Please, guys, I need feedback. Anybody who's an Inspire owner who has experience with the DJI Inspire platform, I want to know what your guys' experiences are with the platform. Which Inspire do you use? 1, 2, or 3? If you have the 3, let me know what that's been like for y'all. And let me know what y'all think about some of this footage so far. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys to see just what this 8K full frame ProRes RAW, just put the license in it a day or 2 ago, and really starting to get the hang of it. First time running dual ops as well. So again, shout out to Bruno. He's been working with us, PA and VO all day. Shout out to Josh. He's been doing dual ops. He's been the cam op. I've been the drone op. And dude, we're creating something special, man. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's a commercial for, let's just say it's something that a lot of people have used, including myself, for taxes. Let's just say that. So anyways, we're just walking around the Bronx. We got an hour to kill. We're gonna follow the music and see what this noise is about. Bro, I set a goal like 5 years ago. I'm not going to rent an Inspire 3. Preferably would not like to fly one until I own it. And now I own it, and within 2 weeks,
We're already flying commercially for a big fucking client. We're out here, Arthur Ave, Little Italy. The real Little Italy, alright? Not that cheap shit from Manhattan. Here we go, taking off. Bada boom, for the books, right?
So that's the
Bada boom, bada bing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My guy.
How much was that?
There we go. That was delayed. And that's it. We are wrapped up for the day. A beautiful full day of shooting with the Inspire 3 in the books. Now it's time to pack up, go get the car, and go the fuck back to Maryland. Okay, we are back in Jersey City. Holy crap, what a day. 7 a.m. start time, 5 p.m. end time. Took about an hour to get from Yonkers, where we left our car originally, back to Jersey City, my brother's place. Look at me, look at my face. I'm fucking so beat, it's not even funny. And we still got another 4 more hours to go, and that'll be that. I mean, I could end the vlog here, I could end the vlog in Maryland. We'll see what I end up doing. Alright, we're back in Maryland. I brought this guy with me, and I'm using my iPhone flashlight because if I didn't, I would look like a crazy person. I have all this stuff on the couch. I don't feel like moving anything, but I have to because I'm not trying to get in the bad habit of being all over the place. Thank you for tuning in to another Drone by Dro day in the life vlog. That was a lot, and I'm tired. Look at that. It's almost 24 hours straight. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Shorter day tomorrow, but I just wanted to show you guys this first time using the Inspire 3. We'll be back to Mavics tomorrow. Yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see next. If there's anything specifically y'all want me to talk about on the channel, maybe this vlog will be out after the DJI ban, and if so, I'll probably make a video about that. So the AC is gonna be louder than me, so I'm ending this vlog now. Fly safe, my friends.